Menteri Rangba Jong Sarkar Jala Meghalaya Conrad ke songmau lo pli ke jingtai thmai ka kashari ne ka annex building jong ka Meghalaya High Court haslong na ka banta ban penhe isu ya ka te ka ying kashari ya ka te ka kashari thmai bal pen bit biang nadu ki kamla trikam jong ki nong sai an la pli pa ba eka ha ka phratrik unai tung arja apulai ka si sa jan Kaba ha ka jinglot ka ba sau san klor tingka Conrad ke sama ha bakren ha ka jelang kumu kongsan ula pen pau ba jingdon jong ni jingtei la idon kamru bandon sa ki we ki tiar ki bayde kat kum kan ni ka juk ba menta na ka banta ban ai ka jing sakri ba bha bar ka Jingbishar ka ba hok ki we bal sakhi lang ki kunthop yau nong bishar ka Meghalaya High Court Sanjeev Banerjee menteri ba dei pai ye tanat ka kampule puthi rakam sangma ka menteri tanat ki kam baidei berkaan ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo bat ki wei
that will not just transform the quality of the legal experts, the lawyers and the future judges that will come out of this college and this university, but it will also transform many aspects of society, many aspects of economics, and overall the quality and the overall system that we have in the state as a whole. So it is a turning point in one way where we expect that many things will transpire from the beginning of this particular university that we are inaugurating today. The last 50 years have seen Meghalaya go through many challenges even in the legal field. Many situations where the quality of the way the legal system should have been was not there simply because of the lack of proper institutes, proper training, proper exposure, proper knowledge, and so many other factors which led to the overall quality of the legal system, which left it lacking, I should say. And now we are seeing that transforming and changing, as this university, as I said, is a major milestone in that regard. The new education policy being implemented here, we will be having business administration combined with law. We'll be having policy research along with law. We'll be having data sciences along with law. This kind of innovation is what we need today, and this is the kind of manpower that we need to build up today in the country. And I think these kind of courses coming up are very innovative and the need of the hour. So when you talk of policy making, the policy science and the policy research that will take place along with obviously the law will be able to create experts in a specific area of policy making. Today, data sciences is a very complicated matter. Laws from international level to local laws are being made as we speak. The value of an institute comes out in basis of its research that it does, the innovation that you do. And innovation means not just product innovation, it's process innovation, it's law innovation, anything that's going to make things better. So therefore, innovation is very important. And I hope that this institute should become an institute and a center of excellence. Now we have our customary laws, we have our traditional laws. I had spoken to one senior political leader once in Delhi, and he mentioned about the fact that we need to push more and more research for the local laws, especially the tribal laws that we have at every community level. And there is no research or any kind of documentation or any kind of codification that's happening at a kind of centralized scale. I hope that this university would become the center of excellence, not just for Meghalaya, not just for Northeast, but let it be the center of excellence for all kind of customary laws and research, especially for the tribal society, when it comes to the country as a whole. And I think this innovation, this research is something that we would like to see happen, and I'm sure that with the kind of team that is here, I'm sure that we will see that kind of research and innovation that's going to happen.